Yeah, what do you get some advice on the audition? Yeah, I look into it and I say, yo, them advice are real talk. I'm forward out today to put the advice to the table and hear what judge them say. You see it? So I'm forward with an easy song to catch our vibes, to bless up the place. I just feel with style. You know it, go tap rhythm now. Yeah, our general, Nero. Yeah, big up all our judges them. Counselor, don't do that. You're there on your phone, don't do that. Dessi Frass out here. Yeah. You see it? Nah, don't do that to me neither. Just listen. You catch our vibes. Watch out now. Feel we lifestyle, make money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel we lifestyle, just feed the fat Kyle, make a gal a get wild. Feel we lifestyle, money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel we lifestyle. May I tell you now a little story. So me, wake up, wall a beard, grab a fresh feet, clocks spam feet, ready to go touch street. Spray on me cologne, a girl must cheat. Reach for your fat Kyle, last kid feet. Our general in the black jeep, and him clean from him head, go straight in feet. 100% talent sure, it a keep. Yo, pass me iPhone, me make a tweet. Feel me lifestyle, make money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel we lifestyle, just feed the Kyle, make a girl a get wild. Feel we lifestyle, money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel we lifestyle. What is second verse? So we pull up in a hardy, be a girl a swami, Cuckoo on the team, yo, that a the army. Hennessy a jing, white rum with Campari, rough up the place to all police want charge we. Money they enough for my family and me charge it. Bandit pull up the pro box and him a parky. How a turn up place for you stand up and party, cause you don't know them man they not say 40. Feel we lifestyle, sing no. Money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel we lifestyle, easy no.
I like the bounce, so I'm just gonna start real fast and go straight into it. I mean, number one, Jamaica, you are just representing right now the streets, the vibes of the street. If you're gonna have fun, you also, yeah, the lifestyle of Jamaica, feel lifestyle, I like that. You could just brand it and call it yours because it really is fun and you said it all. When most men touch a road, they have to go clean. And as I say, her general, from head to toe, clean. I love it, and most women love that too. So I will give you an 8.
Ain't
for
that
sure.
the Frass?
Where's my 8 there? Where's my 8?
Oh, yes, Keisha, I'm excited.
I'm looking for the 8. Where's 8?
There's the Frass.
Where's the 8?
Excited. And I tell the judge, every ready. I want one.
I'm looking for the 8, and something's going on, but it's 8 I give you. Let me move on real quick.
All right, thank you for that one. Dessi, pay attention to the judge, I tell you.
So it's 8 for me also. I've already found the square before when they actually stop, for creativity.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the fact say him acknowledge say, oh, listen what the judge start. Because most time persons come and competition and hear judges speak negative and them take it to heart, you know what I mean? And then realize it's the same thing would happen if you put a song on YouTube. If you put a song out there, if you go up on a big show and sing and them say, boo, what you gonna do? So it's just the same thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, 8 for me also.
Thank you for that, Nero. Counselor.
That's it. Me like it. You know, it's catching. A gimmick song.
Yeah.
It will run out tomorrow morning. You know, me I give you 9 feet.
All right. Yeah, I tell you. Lady Dash.
You're looking at me now. All right. I can see that you do your homework. You listen and you come back stronger. I like it. I give you an 8.
All right, the judges them are going good enough. Our general.
Yeah, Dessi Frass. We love the energy and the melody, you see me? And the different concept, you see me? It have a little womanizer as some go on concept. You get me idea with feel lifestyle, you see me? Yeah, so the punchline, bad key. To me I have similar problem. Birth control. In the last part of the verses, me hear more time. You have to hold on the rhythm, because rhythm. Oh, the fire phone kind of. Alright, so me can realize, but in my hearing, me I see it kind of off, but you hold it back at the same time, you see me? But the song mighty full, performance mighty full, I just that you need for work on. So I 8 for me too as well, my God.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. May I tell you right now, all contestants doing good. You know, me like the show, I'm like how everything I go on, you know what I mean?